Slight risk of severe weather has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center, and this includes portions of northeast and east Texas for Tuesday, March 4th, and it does include our entire viewing area, including Tyler, Longview, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and anywhere in between. This does slide a little further to the west as well, but it does not include the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex on Tuesday, and it doesn't include the Interstate 35 corridor. However, for Corsicana, Fairfield, as you go southbound along Interstate 45, we could see some storms there as well. But again, folks, with these outlooks, it's a long way away from Tuesday, and things will change, and the general area of where this slight risk is drawn out is probably going to change as well. This looks like it's going to be a classic spring setup with an area of low pressure to the northwest of the Lone Star State. We'll have a warm front that's advancing to the north. You can see that behind me. And then you'll have a cold front that's going to be running into warm, moist air. That area between the cold front and warm front is what we like to call the warm sector, where those storms have the potential to occur. Again, this is for Tuesday next week. That was from a surface level standpoint. Now, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we're going to have very strong winds aloft. And you can see that in the drawing behind me. This is a look at the European model. And as you can see, there's a major dip in the jet stream, and those winds are very strong where you see those purples and reds highlighted. And that's right over the Lone Star State, extending into portions of southeastern Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas, and central Missouri. Now, the dynamics of those winds could very well be pulled down to the surface, thus increasing the severe weather threat. Obviously, folks, a lot's going to change with this severe weather threat. It's hard to pinpoint what the exact threats of severe weather are going to be, how much rain we're going to see, and if this will be a more intense severe weather threat than the slight risk we already have outlined for the area. So that is all subject to change. I wouldn't be too concerned about it. Just keep it in the back of your mind if you do have those plans to be out Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. Regardless, I do think the best chance of rain through the next week is going to be over the Arklatex and portions of East Texas, where areas could see up to an inch of rain.